For the repair of the remote control monitor by MSR, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply. By supplying the necessary voltage, after a while, the unit turns on and the screen lights up. By pressing all the buttons, we also test if the unit responds accordingly. No further testing possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the unit is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.